Welcome back into Talking Fitchburg. Joining today from the Recreation Department, it's my friend CeCe. How you doing?
I'm doing good.
How about you put out that bling? Because somebody is newly married. Congratulations.
Yes, thank you.
I know you didn't say to talk about that on air, but
Well,
I think it's pretty cool.
it's good to let the people know that I'm taken.
Exactly. No, it's pretty cool. It's a special moment in life, so I think we have to celebrate it. Plus, you're a cool instructor, and you got a cool department there, so
We have fun.
we gotta celebrate these things. We are gonna celebrate some fun activities coming up here in the month of October.
Deep breaths.
Deep breaths. Yeah, I told you it takes me like a month to transition. So I'm in the middle of that, but still transitioning. We'll start with martial arts, another fun edition of martial arts. What do we got going on in there?
Yeah, so we're wrapping up the first month of martial arts club. So we're going to be doing it kind of on a month-by-month-ish basis. So we got the next one starting on October 2nd. So it's going to be Mondays every week. And we've broken it up now into more age groups. So we've got the young grasshoppers from ages 5 to 7.
The grasshoppers.
Yes, we got the tween tigers for ages 8 to 12, and then we have the teen dragons from ages 13 to 17. So if you want to discover the secrets of Kung Fu and get fit like a kickboxer, and what was the other? Oh, develop honorable traits and mastery of swordplay, come join us. It's fun. Thomas, our instructor, has a lot of training in Kung Fu. That's his passion, and it's going to be a very good time to learn from him and practice under him.
I think if I was there, I'd be saying, I know Kung Fu, like constantly, Matrix style, but
Yeah.
I'm just saying. That sounds like a lot of fun. Get yourself signed up. What are the ages on those?
5 to 7, 8 to 12, and 13 to 17.
There you go. So get those kiddos signed up today. Basketball club, that is, it's now. I mean, it's the time of year.
Yeah, so it's not quite basketball club. So we've got some preseason camps. Get your skills.
My bad.
Yeah, get your skills polished up before the season. During the season, it's kind of hard to work on like dribbling a lot or shooting a lot because you're trying to learn plays. There's a lot that goes into the sport. You try to learn the gameplay. So we have some preseason camps to get all your skills that goes into the game ready to go. Those are going to be on October 3rd and October 17th. We've got programs for grades 3 through 6 and 7 through 9th in the evenings of those Tuesdays. Just a one-day camp. And then we have basketball leagues coming up. We also have instructional basketball for the itty-bitties, 4 and 5, 6 and 7. We're not going to be going on teams and stuff. You are going to get a little t-shirt, and you're going to get to dribble around, and that's going to be a lot of fun. Maybe shoot your first basket.
I got to coach that at a different community. Mm-hmm. It is amazing to see the skill level, of the kids coming in, because some kids have been like shooting forever, and then you're right. We got to see some that have never shot before, and like when they made their first basket, like the place erupted.
Yeah.
Like it is just so much fun.
It is really fun to watch them have those experiences for the first time. Or even I loved getting into. I went to Wanakee, but when I was in 3rd grade and went to the little hoops club, like I've watched my brothers play forever, and so I was like raring to go. I just had so much fun playing basketball through school. So I want everybody to play basketball. I think it's a great sport.
I do too. I'm not that good at it, but I'm glad I got to teach like just some basic fundamentals. And yeah, you can start at age 5, and the kids take in a lot of stuff. Like by the end of the season, we were still making a lot of mistakes, but
Yeah.
That's what you're there to work out. So
There to learn.
go on.
Yep, so we got non-travel leagues, 2nd and 3rd grade, so Fitchburg only leagues, you're not going anywhere. And then we've got local travel leagues for 4th, 5th, and 6th grade. All programs, we've got it for girls and boys. And those travel leagues are going to be going to like Verona,
No, not bad at all.
Monona, Cottage Grove. Not really too far.
Beloit.
No, not going to Beloit.
All right, sounds like a lot of fun. Get your kiddos signed up there for some basketball fun. Moving on to Music Garden. This one just, the first time I heard about this, I was like, what in the heck are we talking about here? But I've walked by it several times now, and it's just fun.
Yeah.
And relaxing.
So you've got your instructor, Beth Marshall, who has been, working with families to teach music for over 20 years. She teaches piano lessons, teaches these music classes, goes into the schools and teaches programs as a contractor. So she's got a lot of experience, and it's basically just a great way to bond with the child in your life. It could be parent-child, grandparent-child, aunt, uncle, child, nanny, child,
Just
whatever.
rotate them. Like
Yeah.
that'd be good. It's good for both entities.
Yes, exactly. The kids really like it. You do fun like rhymes and classic childhood songs and stuff. And every session is different. So this one coming up is going to be session 2 for the fall. The sessions are all a little bit different. They're kind of meant to build on each other. You don't have to go to session 1 to attend session 2, but certainly you'll find something new if you already went to session 1 and want to take it again.
They're moving up to the kick drum. That's like they're coming out of just bass drum to kick drum. Yeah.
We have little instruments.
That's what I mean. That's the best part. Like put an instrument in a kid's hand no matter what age. It's just funny.
Yeah, they're cute
and fun. All right, well get signed up for that. Craft making as well coming up. You got some crafts?
We got everything, Jeremy. A little bit of everything.
Crafts?
Yeah. We're doing that one with CI Pediatric Therapy Centers. They very kindly partner with a lot of the park and rec departments to put on these programs that are enriching for our youth. So that one's ages 6 to 10 on Thursday, October 19th, which is a Verona area school district day off school. Sadly, not Madison or Oregon, 2 of our other school districts.
Never just matches up, right?
It never quite matches up. So, but that's what we got for the fall. Always keep an eye out for their programs. We've got stuff going on all the time, these one-day programs with them. So super fun. Their instructor, Ashley, is very good at her job. So
I was just going to ask you, see, if for people who don't know what CDI Pediatrics is, easy for me to say, how would you describe that entity?
Yeah, so they are dealing with children that have behavioral issues or cognitive issues. Basically, they are therapists for children.
It's a good partnership.
Yeah.
It really is.
It's fitting. They're giving back to the community. Mm-hmm. Yeah. The community's benefiting from their skills. It's
awesome.
Great.
All right, well, that'll be fun. Yoga for adults.
Yes, new session, October session, starting on the 10th. So we're going to have class. Well, we're filming today on September 26th. We'll have class tonight, and then we'll take a break, and then we'll come back on October 10th for another 5-week session going to November 7th. So that's on Tuesday evenings. Sign up for the whole session or just drop in for one class for $15.
Not a bad gig. And you have a leather crafting event coming up as well. Leather.
Yes. So specifically, it's leather earrings that we're going to be making. So you get to craft 3 pairs of your very own earrings under instruction from the owner of Valley of the Camps LLC is her business. So that's what she does with her time. She makes and sells these earrings at craft fairs and wants to teach people how to do them and get to make their own.
Darn.
Yeah, just a little one-day, couple-hour workshop. So kids as young as 12 can participate. If you have an adult, once you get up into the 16, 17, 18 range, you can come by yourself if you want. Or
all right, if people want to get signed up for any of the stuff you talked about today or learn more about all the great stuff happening, we're going to do that.
They can do it on the city website, fitchburgwi.gov/recreation.
That's 1R, recreation. No, it's 2. I blew that one. That's okay. I'm not a good speller.
Recreation.
Recreation. That works with the shirt.
It does.
Yeah. All right, CeCe, thank you so much. Enjoy the rest of fall. We'll get you back here in November.